What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are going through the Bitcoin price on the 4-hourly. If we break this resistance from these lower highs, I do believe so that Bitcoin may be hitting $40,000 in the next coming week or two. I'm also going to show you if we do hit this resistance and get a rejection, I'm going to show you the different support levels that we need to see. And this chart over here, this is Chainlink. This is a 3-year chart and it's on the logarithmic. It's not a 10-year chart. Chainlink has been one of the best performing altcoins since 2018. I'm going to show you some different resistance levels that we need to break here on the 4-hourly and the 1-hourly to start becoming bullish for Chainlink. And guys, remember, if you are interested in trading, PrimeXbt is my favorite day trading platform. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you're getting 50% in addition of what you deposit, guys. Make sure to take advantage of this bonus. My favorite swing trading platform is Bybit, so the link in the description will get you up to $600 worth of bonus, guys. Only for experienced traders. Said this, let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And before we start, make sure to smash up the like button. You'll be helping me out immensely. Let's try and get this video to 300 likes. And said this, let's go straight to the video. All right, zooming in here, let's go to the 1-hourly chart first. A quick update from this ABC correction that we did talk about in the last couple of days, and also this kind of ascending triangle that we did see here, and the breakout of the $34,000 was going to take us to about the $35,000 range, which we just about hit here. We hit 34,950 approximately. So yeah, you could take the call that we have met the target here from this ascending triangle formation and the breakout of this resistance, as you can see here. Right, what am I going to expect here in the next coming hours and days? I do think that if we do come back down to this support level, which is the $34,000, look how we have major resistance, how we have major support right over here. So I do believe so that it is going to hold nicely. We might have a wick or two and then continue to the upside. There is going to be an attempt of breaking the $35,200 range approximately. We do need to see a clear breakout with volume. This is going to be very interesting. Tomorrow is Sunday, so it's going to be very boring in my opinion. I don't think the breakout will happen tomorrow. Potentially it will on Monday if it does, and if we get rejected, I think we'll be coming to lower levels such as 34,000. If that doesn't hold, I think above the $33,000 needs to hold, because we are getting supported here from these this trend line from these higher lows, as you can see here. So if 34 doesn't hold, I do believe so that $33,200 range, or depending when it's going to be, 33,200, 33,400 should hold nicely. We might see a wick or two below this, and if it breaks, then guys, then we'll have to check out some different levels. I don't think this will happen tomorrow, so we'll update you on that in between Sunday and Monday. So let's zoom out here on the 4-hourly chart. And why do I believe so, if we break this major resistance, that we are going to hit $40,000? Well, we can clearly see, okay, the resistance there, which is just around about the $40,000. This was 14th of June and 15th of June. We were clearly making lower highs here. Then we touched this here on the 29th of June, which is around about $36,600 range. So yeah, we are clearly getting a resistance line here from these lower highs. If we manage to break it, which is currently at the $35,200, $35,300 range with nice volume, I do see us coming all the way up potentially in a few weeks to the $40,000 area. I see this as a symmetrical triangle also, as you can see, from these higher lows right over here and these lower highs. So if you get the width here of this symmetrical triangle, it is not the most beautiful one from the lower part here of the support all the way up to the resistance. It would have been ideal for the price here touching this point of resistance, but anyway, we still got these lower highs and higher lows. So yeah, it does create a symmetrical triangle. And from the breakout, we should potentially see $44,000 Bitcoin. That would be the impulsive move of a symmetrical triangle. It's not the most beautiful. I would actually exit part or most of my trade all the way up here at about $40,500 because it's going to be major resistance. By looking at this chart, this is our critical resistance point. Okay, we do have the peak here from 8th of January from 2021, which is around about the $40,000. The daily close is at $40,500 approximately. So that is going to be a major resistance point. We also can see here on the daily chart that, yeah, this is a clear resistance point, the $40,000 500, which we do need to break if this is going to be an accumulation schematic. So yeah, I do see a potential move in the next coming weeks. It does make sense by looking at this chart, by looking at the movements here on the 4 hourly, on the 1 hourly, that this is very, very probable. Okay, so this is what I got for Bitcoin, the bullish and the bearish case scenario. Remember, if you want to swing trade any of these opportunities, Bybit is my favorite swing trading platform because of the low fees. If you use my link in the description, you're getting the best bonus available, which is $600. And now let's take a look at the Chainlink chart. If you're an old subscriber, you know that 20% of my portfolio is on Chainlink. I'm a strong believer of this project. And you know, this chart is from 2018 and it's been an insane performer, okay? All the way up here at the peak of the 2018 bull run, we went as low as about 16 cents, okay, in the bear market. And it has been one of the best performing altcoins from 2019 and 2020, as you can see. So what can we expect here? This is not looking bearish at all. We have a clear uptrend on the logarithmic chart for Chainlink. Let's zoom in here on the 4 hourly because this is the daily. And on the 4 hourly, I want to show you a major resistance trend line that we are just about to break. We may be going to get rejected here still for another week or two, but it does look like we are about to break it. If we zoom in here for Chainlink, as you can see, we are creating these lower highs over here on the chart, and we've created a trend line. We are hitting this trend line every single time and getting rejected. So it's a very, very powerful trend line. So if we do break it to the upside, then I do think it's going to turn into heavy support, and we will see much higher levels. A very critical resistance point here for Chainlink is the $20 range. We do have a touch right over here that does coincidence with the trend line, okay, of these lower highs, and it's a major support level. As you can see here, it's been support, it's been resistance. So if we break the trend line and $20 here for Chainlink, coming all the way to $22, $23, this is going to be looking very, very bullish. We are creating, you know, since the 22nd of June, also higher lows here on the chart. So we are at a critical moment. I do see a potential breakout here in the next coming hours or days. Maybe it's going to fizzle out because tomorrow is Sunday, and then we will see the move on Monday. But it does look that Chainlink needs to get out here from this consolidation. We are hitting major resistance from this lower highs, and also since the 22nd of June, we are creating these higher lows. So we are getting, you know, compressed into this area that needs to break out very soon. Remember, tomorrow is Sunday. I do see potentially a fizzle out here, and then the move on Monday to any direction. So this is something that we are going to take a look here for Chainlink. This is going to be it for this quick update. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, you need to check it out. We've got the latest news and technical analysis. We've got guides on how to buy Bitcoin, how to trade Bitcoin. There's all sorts, guys. Make sure to take advantage of this free website that we've got built up for you. And if you haven't seen my PrimeXbt or my Bybit tutorial, make sure to check it out. The video is popping up on your screen. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and I will see you in the next one.